Let's see the software information before the update, as it came from the factory. The update was prepared and released for certain countries before the launching date, and then gradually for smaller markets. This is a small software update, for both Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus, and brings improvements to stability for camera and to the Face Unlock application. But what I think is the most important, installs also the new security patch dated March 1st. Before you start the update, be sure the phone is charged at least 50%. Let's see the software information after the update. As a reminder, the first Android update on Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus was to improve the camera stability and of the face recognition application. I tested the camera before and after the update and did not notice any difference. If you've identified any improvement in camera stability, please let me know in a comment down below.
If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe.